What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and to my subscribers, thank you for your loyalty and support. So for today we are doing a quick mod, and more of a safety mod, I would say. So this mod relates to the reverse lights. As you know, these reverse lights are fairly dim when they are on. So my friends at Lasfit have provided me with some new style LED lighting. So we're going to install those and see how bright compared to the original style. Alright, so to get started, you first got to open your trunk, of course. And once you are open, you check out that new merch from the Honda Meet. The classics. Oh, look at that car though. Look at that car. That thing's sweet. Anyways, all right, so to remove this light thing here, you got two screws that you just need to remove. There and there. So once these two screws are removed, this can pop out. Now the thing is, there are a couple of tabs in the corner here, so there's going to be a little it's going to be held somewhat tight, so you kind of have to, don't be scared and just kind of pop it out. All right, so that was actually kind of easy because I did pop it out earlier. But all right, so when you look at the back of this setup, you will see all the connections, and it's going to be the bottom. All right, so it's going to be this one. So there's basically like four, I think, here. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one down here. That is the reverse light. Okay, reverse light. Let's remove that bulb. So it's basically a twist. All right, slight twist, like a quarter turn twist, and then it actually just pops right on out. All right, so we have the bulb here. I do have a little cloth, and I just recommend using a cloth to pull the bulb out just in case it's hot. Or if you have to reuse the bulb, you want to kind of reduce any kind of oils or liquid on it. All right, so then you have your new bulbs, the LED. Now for this one, part number is LT15. This is for the 10th gen Civics, but go online at lasfit.com and just input the information of your car, and it'll automatically find everything for you. All right, so once you got that, let's put that in. It should be universal, shouldn't matter. There you go. So, but before I put all the screws back on, I will test it out. So I'm gonna actually put it on reverse. Woo-wee, that thing is bright. Look at that, look at that. So once the light is verified and it looks good, go ahead and install it on those taillights. And once it's installed, don't forget to give it a little turn, a little click, and you will hear that click. And once that's there, push it back in, the two tabs, or a couple tabs, I think, to let it sit in perfectly. Then use the two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. Make sure you tighten it. And after that, that's about it. Looks good, smells good, because that's what the rock is cooking. Okay, that was fairly easy. So let's actually do a comparison. Let me close the trunk. We'll do comparison of the lights, that side versus that side. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, here's the original one right here versus the brand new Lasfit LED. Look at the difference, guys. That is a big difference. Damn, ugly, beautiful. Beauty and the ugly beast. I'm just messing with you guys. Now, before I change the other light bulb on the other side with the LED, I wanted to point out something about my signal. So as you can see, I'm sorry about the bright white light, it looks clear, right? That thing looks clear. But check it out, check it out, Charlie. I'm gonna put my hazard lights on. Hold up. All right. Hazard lights is blinking, but check it out. Boom! The thing is amber yellow, so it's like chrome when it's off, but it's like amber, which is like the normal color when it's on. You know that's sick. Come on, come on. That is sick. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. The thing is sick. So there it is, there it is. Check it out. LEDs are on. They are bright as heck. That is awesome. Good safety situation, you know what I mean? So when you're backing up, especially at night, they can see you. People around you, cars around you, you know? It's all good, it's all good. Now, if you do want to get your hands on a set of these LED lights, I will provide a referral link down below, and make sure you click it. Follow the procedures, meaning input the year, make and model of your car, and for a discount 15% off, use Eric FK8 15. That's Eric FK815, and you'll get an additional 15% off everything in your cart. So go ahead and do that. Just make sure you hit that referral link down below. But these blinkers though, check it out. Yellow, but it's like chrome, so you don't even see any amber color in there. Bro, come on. You gotta give me props for those, man. Probably the only car rocking these things on the Type R. Let me turn it off and you see how solid it looks. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. You gotta see, I'm telling you, guys don't understand. It gives that clean look. Check it out, check it out. Here you go, yeah. Look at that, look at that. Look at all chrome. No amber, no yellow, no nothing. Whoo-wee. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But for now, keep smiling, be safe, and always stay driven. Peace.